Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will create this effect when hovering over a button. So let's view that in a slower demo to see what exactly is going on. I will hover over the link, and you can see that the background color is changing to some red color, and there is a thick white line that is tilted at a 45-degree angle and is passing across the link at the same time the background color changes. Cool, right? So, let's see how we can do this. First of all, I will go to my HTML, and I will add an anchor tag, and just say hover me. Then I will go to my CSS to add some styles. I will add a dark gray background to the body. Then below that, I will target the anchor tag and add text decoration, none, then color, white, font family, sans serif, font size, 40 pixels, border, 3 pixels, solid, white, padding, 40 pixels from the top and bottom, and 80 pixels from the left and right. Then I will add transition, all, 0.3 seconds, position, relative. And next, let's make the background color change to red when hovering over the link. So I will go right here and say A. And on hovering, I will change the background color to our red color. And now, when I hover over the link, you can see that the background color changes to red. Good. Now we want to create the thick white line that crosses the link, and we will use the before pseudo element for that. So I will go to my CSS and say A:(before). And I will make the content empty. Then I will make the background color white. Then I will say top, 0, left, 0 as well, then width, 100%, and height, 50 pixels, then position, absolute. And then, when we take a look at it, you can see it's got a white background taking up the full width of the link and having a height of 50 pixels. Now, we want to move it to the left, outside the link, so that when I hover over it, it moves from left to right. So I will go right here and add transform, translate X, -100%, and now you can see it's translated outside the link to the left by a distance equal to 100% of its width. Next, I want to rotate it by 45 degrees because it's rotated in our demo. So I will go right here and add another transform function, which is rotate, 45 degrees. And now you can see it's rotated. Good. Now, we want to make it move to the right, all the way across the link when we hover over it. And this can be done no problem. So I will go to my CSS, and when hovering over the link, I want to make some changes happen to the before pseudo element. I will add transform, translate X, 100% so that it moves to the right by 100% of its width, then rotate 45 degrees so it will stay rotated during the movement. And now, when I hover over the link, you can see the before pseudo element is moving from left to right, passing across the link. But we still have a small problem, and that is getting rid of the pseudo element outside the link. We can fix that, no problem, by going to the anchor tag selector and adding overflow, hidden. so that anything outside it will be hidden. And now, when I hover over the link, you can see we are getting the exact effect we want.